Good evening everyone, here is Shybike. Just as I promised you on my episode about tax turbo trainers, I will be trying to encourage you to make a great cycling season out of the fall and winter time by trying indoor cycling. Now, one of the best methods to do it is to use the Zwift software. I've been using it for just 7 days, 6 or 7 days, and I already call myself a Zwifter. Now, there are some issues with this software, and I'm also preparing another episode called The Most Annoying Things About It, because yes, there are some issues there. But today I've just got 3 tips for you. One will be a Zwift hack and 2 tips. So let's start with the hack. Why do we need this hack? Well, just listen to this. Yeah, listen to this music. It's okay when you listen to it for the first, second and the third time, but believe me, it becomes super annoying after this third time, let's say. And maybe you would think there will be different soundtracks here, but no, Zwift has just this one really annoying music when you start up, when you do some setups and anything on this software. So you really want to switch it off, and Zwift doesn't give you option of switching this music off. So let's just close a whole software, and I will show you how to disable it on both Windows and Mac computers. This is how you find the right file. You go for your computer and the disk where you have your program files. This is C on my computer. And then program files 86 on mine, not the program files here, but program files 86. Open this one. Then I'm searching for Zwift folder. Here in the Zwift folder, the data folder. Finally audio, because this is certainly audio. And then PC, and this is the file we are really interested in. 777-2017. The only thing we have to do here is to change the extension so that the software won't be able to play this music. Let's just change it into the temporary file, and now our job is done. Now for the Mac users, I just have it somewhere here. Yeah, that's the Zwift blog. I'm just going to show you that in a minute. Here is the way to find this folder on your Mac computer. So Mac HD users, your account name, then library, application support, Zwift, data, audio and OS X, and same file. You just change the extension. And will this work? Well, let's just start our Zwift software. Alright, we've got it. I'm just logging into my Zwift account right now through the software. And let's just turn on the sounds on maximum. We can't hear anything but the noises or the sounds from the track there, which is awesome. So no music, but still I will hear everything from my Zwift track. So let's just watch something, and then I'm going to show you 2 tips there. So now we can hear the wind, we'll hear the different riders here. So I'm just watching it here, and you can hear now all the sounds. We can watch different tracks from different riders' perspective. I'm just from the NES perspective. Okay, NES, right on guy. Now, the keyboard shortcuts are super helpful here. 1 through 9, these are different perspectives. So this is number 1. This is number 2. It's closer. This is number 3. So you just check those out. You don't see the rider, but you can see actually what you would see by riding as this rider. You can also see the world from the side, from the helicopter perspective, like this one. So this is really helpful. This is really interesting, and you can use those shortcuts also while you are riding. So that's very cool. Now the keys from F1 through F10 also have different features. You can just try those out. But F10 is super helpful. By just pressing F10, you screen capture. So you make photos from your from your right, which is super cool. I'm not doing it right now because I'm screen capturing from this software here. But then when you use F10 and you want to find your pictures, you simply go to pictures, this is in Polish, and then Zwift, and then you have all the pictures you've made. So you can do some pictures when you are sprinting, when you are maybe first on the finish line, or you know, overtaking your riding buddies. This is really cool feature and really helpful one. Now there are more shortcuts, more stuff you can learn here. I really recommend that you go to the website called zwiftblog.com. This is also where I took this hack about music from, and it is super helpful. Really encourage you to go for zwiftblog.com. Many informations about Zwift. Okay, so we know the hack about the music. We know the tips about keyword shortcuts. There is more like M that will be messaged to a whole group on chat. But the third one is also, let's say you've been participating in some group ride or some race. Zwift is super annoying also in this at this moment, because it doesn't show you the result after you've done it, and you want to see it. So if you have connected your Zwift account with your Strava account, then the data, like I was here, this is my event on last Friday. This was the Friday Crit series. So I was there, but I cannot see from my Zwift software any results or how did I actually do. Then another website that is super helpful is the zwiftpower.com. When we go for zwiftpower.com, this site has all the data taken from our Strava account just automatically, and you can find those events. So this is the event I wrote last Friday. I was in A or B category, I was C category there. And here I am, shy bike 30, was I 36th? Yes, 32nd. So this is my category, taken from my power output, 1 hour 27 minutes, 2.74 watts per kilo, so not really a lot, 219 watts on average, and I was 32nd on the C category. So all this data you will find here. You just find your event. Okay. All right, so here are the events from today, yesterday, and the older one. You just click older one and you will find your event. So guys, these are just 3 tips or 2 tips and 1 hack about Zwift. If you have any further questions or you have some ideas for future episode about Zwift, just let me know in the comment section and I will definitely do more, because I'm just Zwifting almost every day right now. Thanks for watching, give me some thumbs up please, and thanks for your support. Bye bye.